This is Jeff Raines coming to you again with Foundation of Civilization, and I was going to do a just a quick update on where the world stands with the trade negotiations. As the U.S. has been shaking up the economic scene around the world, other countries are seeing the opportunity to grab a larger piece of the U.S. market. One of the countries that has been a beneficiary of China fighting with the United States is India. Actually, a huge beneficiary. They have they're in the middle of negotiating a trade deal and opening up new markets, and their companies are already starting to respond very positively. Apple has already stated that it is going to shift its production, nearly all of its production, from China to India. And Apple is not alone. They're also being followed by Google and Samsung. I'm not certain what percentage of their production they plan to move to India. India, their trading with the United States ranges about the $80 billion mark. In 2024, it was $79.44 billion, according to the United States statistics. And that is just a portion of the total goods traded between China and the United States, which that was noted by the United States Trade Representative as $582.4 billion in 2024. I'm sure that China's trade is going to go down some this year, maybe very significantly. And my guess is India's trade is going to increase significantly with the United States. Now, while the trade is shifting for the United States, it's also shifting for China. A number of countries are looking to step into the role that the United States has been playing, and one of the countries that's stepping up is Brazil. They are looking to take over the shipments of beef to China. And China has a large population, and Brazil has a good location to raise cattle. In fact, they're well known for having some very good cattle industries. Now, the other locations, the other countries that are looking to increase their trade with China are a lot of them are pretty local. They're the ASEAN countries, and especially countries with well-developed markets such as Korea and Japan. Vietnam is looking to get in there as well. These and the things that they're going to be looking to replace, some of it's not going to be very easy for them, because the United States shipments to China, the goods that we traded with them, oil seeds and grains, oil and gas, and I don't know. Japan doesn't have a significant oil and gas industry. That's why they went to war in World War II. Korea, neither does Korea. China is trying to import oil and gas like mad. So it will be interesting to see how everything else shakes out over the next few years. But that shakeout is exactly what is happening. Things are changing, and we'll see what happens. Again, this is Jeff Raines with Foundation of Civilization. Please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate your help in getting the message out, and I look forward to hearing from you and seeing what happens in the world in the near future. Like I said, changes are happening, and we need to be paying attention and try to stay ahead of it. Thanks again, and I look forward to talking to you in the near future. Thanks. Bye.